This is the Ordro M5. It's a handheld gimbal camera that shoots in 5K, and this is the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. It's easily my favorite everyday carry camera. Let's do a comparison of these cameras and see if the M5 can replace my Osmo Pocket 3. So this is just going to be a visual and audio comparison of these two cameras. I'll have a detailed review of the M5 in a separate video. Also, everything will be set to auto with no adjustment in post. Alright, let's head outside and compare these cameras.
Alright, tracking's not working.
Yeah, it's definitely working better indoors, so I don't know what it was outdoors. Maybe the contrast outside, but something. It just didn't really want to work outdoors. But here's the tracking. It's working much better now.
Oh, that'd be... Testing the mics on both these cameras. Over here we have the Ordro M5. Over here we have the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. How's it sounding? It's not that windy out here, so it should sound pretty good, but you let me know.
While I'm out here, I might as well do another audio test. From what I heard earlier, the M5 doesn't sound that great, but
maybe it was just the time I was outside. We'll see how it sounds this time.
Alright, so I wanted to test the audio indoors, see if it sounds better than it did outside. Once again, we have the Ordro M5 over here and the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 over here.
Which one's sounding better? Does it sound better indoors? I'm assuming it does, since it's not as noisy out here. In here. How's it sound?
Hey! Sit down.
So the M5 held up a lot better than I thought it would. It has one trick that the Pocket can't do, which may be the reason why you would choose this camera. It's the IR night vision, and it can be really useful if you're someone who shoots a lot in dark environments. The internal mic of the M5 can't compete with the Pocket 3 though, especially if you're hand holding it. It picks up a lot of noise. All that being said, the Ordro M5 is half the price of the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. I think it's good for people who want a backup camera to the Pocket 3, or those who film a lot in low light environments. It's also a good alternative to people who just don't want to spend that much on the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. So yeah, let me know if you have any questions about either of these cameras, but for now, I'm gonna use this IR camera to find stuff that I dropped behind my desk like years ago. See ya.